this is your art period. So everyone just take out your art book and open page number 9. And the topic is yoga poses. Stick figures. Here you can see this. All the figures is drawn by lines. Observe closely the given yoga poses and follow the step drawing to learn how to draw them. Here you can see step by step how to draw a yoga pose. Firstly, draw a oval shape, then draw a straight line, then draw a curved line from the both sides, and then sticky line, then oval shape for hand portion. So like this you have to draw on this other side page, and that is page number 9. Mention CW and date also. Now using sketch pens, draw the yoga poses given on the square head on the provided space. So I will just take out your sketch colors. Now let's start sketching. If you are in having any doubt that directly you can't just use sketch color, then firstly you can draw the pictures with pencil, then use sketch color. Here I use sketch color directly. So let's start. Draw a oval shape like this, then a straight line, then one slanting line, and again slanting line, then draw a oval shape like this, then draw this line like this and like this. This is done. Now move to second yoga pose. Here I use green sketch. Firstly, draw a oval shape, then a small line. Continuously we will draw it as a semicircle. Like this. Then start with here and move it like this, and then make a oval shape. Here also draw oval shape, then this is completed. So you all have to draw rest 2 poses in over here using sketch colors. I hope you all have understand this class work. So now complete your class work. Alright, so complete this. Now move to page number 10. This is your homework. Mention homework also and date also, and the topic is giraffe. Look closely the below given giraffes and using different techniques make them colorful. Here we can use different techniques of colors and complete the pictures. Color with sketch pens. Here I take brown and yellow shade. You all know very well that the color of giraffe is yellow and brown. So color it with this brown color for this portion. Fill it like this, like this, alright. After completing this, complete this portion with yellow. Here I just mark like this. Alright. Now move to second portion of giraffe. Use color pencil. You have to use color pencil for coloring this portion. Now take brown and yellow shade of pencil colors, and here same, do like this, Do coloring neat and clean. And this portion will be colored with yellow. This one, this one, this one, this one. Alright. After completing this, in third picture, tear bits of paper attached and paste over here. Here you can see a paper is given and the color is yellow and brown. Like just like this, you have to paste a bit of paper over here, brown paper. Like this, you have to just tear the paper and apply Fevicol, then paste it over here. I hope you all have understood that how to color it. Then completing this, tear the paper into small pieces, then paste it over here. Alright, I hope you all have understood this. Now, after completing this, come to the last page, and here you can see some project work is given. Write down your name here, class, and your school name. And after completing this, just open it and start this. And the topic is start a project Seascape. Here instructions are given. In this portion you have to paste cotton pasting. In this, fill in poster colors. Give sponge impression. Sponge impression means sponge के impressions देने हैं. Color using pencil. इस part को आपको pencil colors का करना है use. Wood powder pasting. In this portion you have to paste powder. And this is your kit. Material is given. Alright, so you have to just follow the instructions and complete this. I hope you all have understood that how to complete this project work also. So thank you students for attending this class and complete your work.